sidewalk. It's mostly all wood. I think it's like 40 some acres of a lot of pulpwood. I think there's like 103,000 feet of logs on it. And not much compared to the wood. So, it'll be the last block up here, this job. Did the Mad Bull job. Tracking the cutter out there now. It's gonna be a long, slow ride, this thing. As you can see, I'm not going very fast. But do what you gotta do. So, I'll take this out there and then we'll come back and get the loader and the skidder, take it out. Wet up here, you can be able to work in the woods. He's gonna have to clear a spot out for the landing with that, so then we'll get that done. Get the loader set up and get everything set up and ready to go. And hopefully we can work up here tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Next block we're going to, it's mostly all hillside. It's not horrible. I mean, you can drive on it, skidder and whatnot. Might have to put a road in, not sure yet. But it's all uphill skid. So, can't really be too wet doing that. We'll see what happens. Get some videos. Seeing this thing work in its actual natural environment, but wood. As you can see, this is one of our log blocks we finished up. It'll be the first one. Inside the deer fence. Got no deer fence to contend with on this block, so that's a bonus. You can see it's pretty wet up here. Pipe in the road right here in front of him. So it does this every time it rains. It gets clogged up, all this runoff running down over the hill. Nothing to do about it. It doesn't really affect the road very much, I guess. So, now he's going to try to fix it. Coming up today is the John Deere dealer. They're gonna do the valve adjustment on this. There's nothing wrong with it. It's done it. I think it's 2,000 hours. That thing's pretty new yet. It's not new, but it's not very old either. I think it only has like 2,500 hours on it or something. Been a good machine. Didn't use it a whole lot on these log blocks because these are massive trees. You just can't cut them with a machine. But there was quite a bit of stuff on this last block that you can cut with it. So that's pretty much what's going on up here. Come out into this field up here. Seeing quite a bit of elk up here lately. knob adjustment on this. For those of you that are wondering about that, it's a 759J. It's got a quad coat head on it. I think it's a 28-inch cut. I'm not 100% sure, but it's got a pretty decent sized tree. So, we'll get some more video up here. We'll be back.